are followed by dark. Color flows freely as the rain in the storm. She comes with the needle voice soft and warm. The pain numbs the noises and it fades to black.